I was watching an Atlantic knife YouTube video, and they had this Rike knife 1902, and I'm getting ready to go to Blade Show, and I'm wondering what kind of folding knife I want to take, and this looked very neat, and so I've been excited to get this. It just came. Let's unbox it, take a look at it. I don't know if I have any other Rike knives. I have Rake, which is a very similar name, but spelled just a touch different. But I think Rike knife tends to make a little bit higher end. The regular case. So in here we got a card, sticker, and a cleaning cloth. Okay. As I fumble with the plastic bag. There we go. Oh, that's cool. That is neat. Frame lock, milled pocket clip. It has the ball for the retention. We have a front flipper with nice jimping. A really pretty pivot. They had a red or a blue, and I'm partial to the red. Oh, that was nice. So we have kind of a mirror finish on the flats. And then like a bead blast for the bevel. That is gorgeous. It's M390. Nice logo. They kept their logo nice and small. Looking forward to sharpness testing this one. So we're going to have washers, and it's smooth, not quite drop shutty yet. We'll have to get that broke in, but if I shake it, it drops shut. Let's see where the detent grabs the blade. All right, right about there, grabs it and pulls it in. Lock bar access is really good. This is cut down, and that lock bar is right there. You can really get good purchase on it. It's very easy to disengage. This is not a huge knife. I think it's a gorgeous little knife, but it's not huge. We've got an overall length of about a 7 1/4, with the blade length of 3 1/4 and a cutting edge of about 3 inches. Our weight is almost 3 ounces, so that's not bad. 3-inch blade, 3 ounce. See our handle thickness. So our handle thickness is a 0.47. So it's a little bit thinner handle than what we'd normally find. And 1/8 of an inch, 0.125 for a blade thickness. Boy, that's pretty. I can see lubricant down in there, so they've lubed this knife up and everything. Most of the knives I review are budget knives because I like to take them out and use them, and I just feel better about doing that with budget knives. This one, however, is not a budget knife. So I would expect it to be a little bit lubricated and a little bit nicer. So that back spacer is very nicely done. Centering is spot on. It almost has to be because this blade fits so tight. Those are close tolerances where that blade goes in there. I wanted something just a little bit out of the normal to carry at Blade Show. I think that this one is a leading contender right now. I'll bring several when I go. Blade Show right now is only let's see, what's today, the 23rd of May, so we're getting pretty close to Blade. There's a nice choil here if you do want to choke up. I kind of wish it was a little bit bigger, but you can choke up. I can get a 4-finger grip. Without choking up. And then this is nice. It kind of dips down. The handle dips down and in and then back up. So when you lay your thumb on there, it feels natural. That blade style's a nice, useful blade style too. This one isn't one that I'm going to be going hog with on working and all that kind of stuff. This one's going to be more gentleman's carry, going out to dinner type stuff. See the inlay of that carbon fiber. Looks nice. Nothing on the clip side, just on the show. I love the look. I love the shape and the look of this knife. It's fantastic. Okay, let's see how sharp it is. The Rike 1902 factory sharpness. $191. That's not bad. It's definitely not the best I've tested, but it's definitely acceptable. Not sure if I'm going to sharpen it before I carry it or not. The edge is nicely done. So let me see if I can get a closer look at the edge grind here. I don't know how this will work on camera. Very good. It looks nice. It looks even. The knife is well finished. They have nice little pockets for the handle hardware. Kind of raised pockets. Very neat little knife. I'm not sure what they harden their M390 to. And to be honest, I'm a little hesitant to put this one on the Rockwell tester because it's going to, I don't think I want to ding this one up. The finish on the blade is done really, really nice. I love the bead blast on the bevel. Man, that's pretty. So yeah, there you have it. The Rike 1902. I got this from Atlantic Firearms. Or Atlantic Firearms. Sorry, I was looking at other sites too. Atlantic Knife. And they shipped it reasonably quick. Yeah, I really like that knife. That is a fancy one. I think that's going to go to blade. So anyway, thanks for taking a look at the Rike 1902. I definitely think this was money well spent. And thanks for watching.